Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Open the Barcode app or retailer scanner on your phone and give it camera permission. Hold the garment so the barcode lies flat and unobstructed. Once done, position the camera about 6-12 inches away. Make sure light hits evenly and avoid glare from plastics. Move slightly forward or back to focus. If the app shows a grid or guide, align the barcode inside it. You're already scanning. Hold steady until the app signals a read. You now refine the capture. Frame the barcode horizontally and center it inside the app guide, then wait for autofocus to settle. Once the app beeps or highlights the code, keep your hand still for a beat so the data registers. After the scan, make sure the displayed digits match the printed numbers under the barcode. This verifies accuracy. If the app fails, try a slight tilt, different lighting, or switch to the rear camera. Those adjustments often fix read error. You finish by tapping the lookup or search button to retrieve product details like size, color, and price. Make sure results match the garment before acting. Once confirmed, save to your list, add to cart, or share the product link. If the app returns multiple hits, compare label info such as SKU or size to choose correctly. If scanning still fails, manually type the printed barcode numbers into the search field. That manual entry resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.